Some places are simply buildings, other becomes part of a family story. Long before it became Casale Il Fontanellino, this house belonged to my grandparents and was the heart of our family. My grandparents chose this place as a meeting point for our family reunion. So weekends were filled with coffee, homemade treats, laughter, and relatives returning from abroad. The name comes from our local map. Long ago, this house was a place where people would collect spring water. Perhaps the spirit of welcome has always been here. When the house passed me, my husband and I carefully renovated both the home and the surrounding landscape. Today, guests from around the world walk through these gates and become a part of the family tradition. I hope my grandparents would be proud. The faces have changed, but the purpose remained the same, to welcome people around the world and make everyone feel at home.